Something special is coming to Vandalia, and I want you to see it first. I'm Rochelle Watkins with NavX Realty, and coming soon is a new listing on 552 Crestgrove Avenue. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath bi-level is not officially on the market yet, but I'm giving you an early look because homes like this move fast. Hardwood floors throughout, finished lower level with beautiful built-ins and a fireplace, a fenced yard with a deck and a patio, newer roof, beautiful updated kitchen and bathrooms that are a must-see, quiet neighborhood with great schools, and you're close to shopping, dining, and interstate access. This beautiful home is coming soon, so text me at 937-272-1276 right now, and I'll get you on the priority list so you can tour it before it hits the market. Don't wait, text me today. Again, Rochelle Watkins with NavX Realty. Let's navigate home together.